shit, eh? Have you, you slimy git? Look what I got. I got a jar of dirt. I got a jar of dirt.
Welcome to the video, guys. I'm gonna be doing this is just a quick gameplay of this game. It's not a game. It's just short and sweet. I'm just gonna play for fun and show you, give you around some tips and tricks here and there. So this game is, if you're familiar with Brawl Stars, it's sort of like Brawl Stars. Oops, I didn't even do that. So currently the guy I am using is called Cosmo. It's a thrower role. It's honestly very, very good. Its range is incredible. Honestly, it has a bunch of good stuff, not gonna lie. And then its ability, it's like it throws a big bomb, and then like it explodes and it drops like mines, which explode when an enemy steps on it, of course. Oh no, oh no. There we go, have fun. Then each hero has their own ability, super ability, and passive skill. The passive skill for Cosmo Cats is it takes less damage because its armor is so good. Yeah, I don't know how, but like, let's just go with it. So good. Yeah, man, very logical. There we go, have fun. Also, when your teammate dies, it like drops this weird totem and it gives you an ability, I think. I don't know if it's teammate or if it's your enemy, I don't know, but it, like, you want to avoid the red totems or whatever they are, like this one here. This one, that got taken away. Okay, fine, whatever. Currently, what I am playing, the game mode I am playing is currently Team Deathmatch, which obviously I won because I am pro. Too easy. Too easy. I totally didn't play this before. Oh, 13 kills, 0 deaths. I am insane at this. As you can see, they're different heroes. You see, we have this guy, Brutator, which is some dude, yeah. And then we get chests, which are kind of chests whenever we win, I believe. And then we get like cards which are used for upgrade. Oh, I already got that guy. Interesting. That's interesting. I'm gonna use that guy later. Yeah, this is just all a quick gameplay. Let me just battle. Let's go. Destroy the enemy team before they destroy you. Kind of obvious, isn't it? Alright, so I might just consider this as a gameplay of this guy, because I'm gonna just use him, and also like a quick show off. Alright, so there are only 4 heroes, and they are, no, not 4 heroes, well, technically, I consider them 4 starter heroes. It's Beef, which is a guy with an axe, Cosmo Cat, that one I'm using, Brutator, and then use the guy that I unlocked, Quackin. I believe it's its name. I don't know. I don't remember. Oh my god. If only I could control this. Oh no, currently we are so doomed. Oh my god, that's a lot. That's a lot of enemies. Be a shame if I just place that there. Throw that there. Honestly, I believe that Cosmo Cat is more like a since its incredible range. You just saw me snipe that guy, didn't you? I think he's a camper, so like he mostly belongs like in the bushes where he's hidden, and then he just snipes it. For Cosmo cats, I like recommend staying behind. Like, don't charge like the other guys. Like that's really bad idea. Because oh my god, I can't seem to hit this guy. Wait, you can climb now? Ah, eh. There we go. Throw a quick bomb there. Can you like control your? No, you can't. So the only way. There we go. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Boom. GG victories. I am on pro. Simple as that. I'm just very good with this. Oh, we got a better chest? That's cool. I suppose. Oh, that's very nice. Okay, so I'm gonna be cutting some places. You might notice that because there's ants whenever I try to play. Very annoying. Don't like that. Ooh, a new map. That's very interesting. Oh, you see these cans? When you hit them, they light on fire, and then they go big boom booms, and big boom booms can kill you. And yeah, you don't want big boom booms to kill you now, do you? Oh, I just lit one on fire. I didn't mean to. What? What is this? What is the meaning of this? Where is everyone? Oh no. I'm dead. Oh my god, my team's losing. Great. Yeah, just great. Just as I thought I was doing well. My team lost. We are down by so much points. Oh, we're racking up, we're racking up, we're racking up, we're racking up. We're actually coming back. We're doing some comebacks. Yo, I swear if we win, then we are just insanely OP. Oh, we are doing a comeback. We are actually doing a comeback. Oh my god, that's a big comeback. Oh, never mind. Now we're losing again. Brr. Oh, well, I mean, it's not such a bad comeback. Yeah, pro tip, don't give up. Just because you're losing doesn't mean you lost. I mean, like, look at this comeback. We are racking up points. Come on, die. I need that guy to die. Where is you? Come on, he has like no health. Oh no, we got 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. 30 seconds to like eliminate as much people as possible. Oh fool, he let himself kill himself. Can we actually make this? Oh my god. We just need one. Come on, kill him. We actually... No way! There's actually no way! Alright, that's gonna be the end of the video. Wait, no, actually I take that back. I take back the end of the video. Let's do one more round. I want one more. Wow. Oh my god. Oh, and I didn't even check what place I was in. Here we go. The same map as last time. I'm gonna do that there over there. Nope, there's already a fight. There we go. You see, that's why that's why he's a camper. Oh my god, that's a lot of people. I really want to throw a bomb there. Come on, hey, let's go. We got some people, and now we're losing. Okie dokie. Fear not, for we shall maybe do epic comeback. Don't mind me, I'm just spamming the bomb. Oh well, I got the ability. And we're down by just 68 points. Never mind. What? When you die, your ability resets? That's kind of trash. Oh my god. Yep. I don't like this. Me no like. Yeah, we are doomed. We're so doomed. Oh my god, there's no way we can rack up that much points. They're crushing us. Oh, there's no way we can rack up so much points. It's a loss. Yeah. And okay. Well. Oh, I got a cool chest. Yeah, every time you play, let's just speed. I got a skin. Alright, I'm gonna be showcasing this guy next time. Big time. And that's the end of the video.